Hey guys, it is Tyler, and I'm here with Zach today. Zach is an official member of Freeze Gaming. He just joined today. He's going to record when we can. We're going to record a lot of videos, however many we can or want. So let's get there. Let's go, Zach. We feel like doing another one. I know the one got 3, but I mean, why not? It's a fun game. I do like that. Seeing Zach get scared.
Tell you why not.
We're gonna possibly be doing other games in the future. We're gonna find out, but yeah, it's good to have another member on the channel. Okay, let's go. And plus, now I don't have to play alone. I don't wanna be all by myself anymore. Okay, better not kick you off again like you did last time.
Tyler, where'd you go?
Am I here?
I'm kidding.
Dude, I was gonna say Jesus, dude. You lost me damn quick. I don't know if I should rather feel pity or I just should just called you dumbass if you lost me. Maybe.
There's a river over here on our left.
Yeah, I know. What happens if you fall in?
Find out.
Kiss my ass. Because then the thing pops in there and we're screwed. Oh, you can't?
I don't know. There's like 3 games and I got rid of the game because I hated it.
Oh yeah, Zach can't handle horror games, lol.
Oh my god. It's not as much as Andrew can.
No, I feel like you're worse.
Good point.
I'm sorry, I just feel like you, when it comes to horror games, you can handle them less than he can. Oh, I'm surprised you actually did the first video of White Noise with me. Let alone doing the second one, even though I did want to play this
I
again.
have my volume so low I can't hear shit. All I can hear is you.
Billy, you being a pansy about this?
No, I'm kidding.
Oh, I was about to say, I'm like, don't you be a pansy bitch about this. I have a feeling a recording must be around here.
I remember there is a recording behind next to these movie statues.
So you have played this map. Huh?
Yeah, I played this map.
Oh, I thought you said you have them. I'm like, then how the hell do you know that? I mean... Okay, I hear it.
Yeah, I found it.
Oh, you did?
You ready, Tyler?
Yeah. What is it? Oh. Oh, Lily, as soon as you got that, my window, I saw a left flash completely by you for a second.
I found you.
It's kind of creepy when you have a left flash by your fucking window, man.
I know, right?
Doesn't help, because I thought that was part of the game, and I look over to my right, and I saw it, I'm like, nope, just focus on the game. Fuck the world, man.
I'm out.
I say, unless somebody's trying to get on my window right now, I'm fine.
After Tyler, would you know me?
Sure. Recording or no?
Yeah, we're gonna record. We were around 32, we didn't record it.
Yesterday me and Zach got to round 32, and our friend Dakota won't believe us with anything. He thinks we didn't get that far. I think Dakota's just sour about it because you guys haven't got that far yet.
Yeah, I think so too.
But I mean, if we record it, then we might be able to pick up the whole thing. Where the hell do we go next? I'm like so confused. This place is big, but at the same time I don't know where to go.
Oh no, those maps are huge.
Well, I know, like, maps are supposed to be huge. You know, I'm actually... Wait, this is on normal, right?
Yeah, it's not normal. He's over there.
I jumped.
I jumped too.
I didn't scream that time, but I jumped, and I was about to say, wow, so far we haven't found him. As soon as I was about to say that, he popped one. Never mind, shutting up.
Yeah, I jumped. I didn't scream though.
I'm shutting up now because as soon as I was about to say that, Lily popped up and went, oh, it's a statue. It scared the fuck out of me. I thought he was standing there. Did you die? How did you die so quick?
Holy shit!
I I heard you scream. How'd you die so quick?
I looked at the statue, and it just poof right in front of me and got me.
I'm all alone.
Oh my god.
That gave you a mini heart attack, didn't it?
No, I almost did have a heart attack. Where are you at? I'm right by the statue where I died at.
I'm by some pillars.
Well, I have night vision, so I can see. You can't scare me.
Yeah, you did. Oh, I didn't expect you to die so quick.
I think I see your light.
Oh!
Did you die?
No! He was so close to me, that's the only reason I screamed, is because he was too close for comfort.
I can't see him, so... I'm dead. I'm right behind you. You can see a blue thing. It's me.
Oh, that's you? Yeah, I got a recording. I honestly... I wish you didn't die so quick. I'm all alone.
I didn't know I was going to die so quick either. I just looked at the pillar, or the little statue on the ground, and I died.
So it's not a recording there, so I'm not going to get myself... Oh, Jesus, I swear to God, I thought you were him.
Are you still recording?
Nope, yeah, I am.
Okay,
I said I'm not turning it off just because you die.
yeah, I wasn't going to say turn it off because I died. Keep going.
Yeah, I was about to say, my people can see my experience after, but I really wish you didn't die so quickly. Ah!
That's not my fault.
I swear to God, you better not pop. Okay, at least have another exit to go through. Thank God.
I just can't believe I died. I just looked at the statue, and poof.
Ah, Jesus! Fucking knock it off! I keep thinking you're him. Wait, what statue did you look at?
The one that you walked past by, you said, oh, I thought that statue was him on the ground.
I didn't see it on the ground.
I looked at it, and it got me.
Fucking hell, I meant to say vase. But anyways, nope.
I don't see him.
I did. Can you not see him when you're dead?
No, I'm dead.
Yeah, so you can't see him, so of course you're not gonna fucking see him,
I can't
dumbass.
see you.
So at this point, you're not gonna be screaming or anything because you don't gotta worry. I do.
I'm following you around though.
I don't know if it's just to get a laugh out of it or what.
I don't know. I'll probably laugh.
You know, at this point, I don't know. You know, that's the thing with the whole scaring factor thing. Now you're done with it. You don't have to worry. I do. I seriously have no idea where to go next. I thought that would have been one of the houses there.
Try going into the water from the river. Oh wait, no, you can't. Behind you.
Nope, I looked to my right. Nope. Houses again. What the hell? Seriously, this map is like too gigantic.
No, all the maps are big. There's only 4 people.
Yeah, this is why I wish the other 2 fuckers would have stayed. But oh no.
They probably want to be in a party.
I know, but I didn't. It's just, this is me and you because we're recording, and so we have a reason to with them. I don't know the guys.
Right.
I mean, sure, I'd be quite, I mean, am I doing...
Hold on, you're going back the way you came. Go to your right. This way, follow me.
I'll follow the ghost.
Yeah, follow the ghost. That will lead you to your death. I mean, your next recording.
Ah! Don't you dare, you son of a bitch. I swear to God, if you do, I'm quitting. I'm done.
I can't see him, so if you see him, you just let me know and I'll stop. I have night vision, so I can lead you.
Hope you leading me is just fucking recording.
I don't think I can see recording.
Okay, we're going back to the statue, Ed. Oh no, the other one was facing the ground, though. Oh, yeah, we've been here.
Well, you've been here. I died.
No, I got the recording, then we went back out. Oh, damn it. I didn't know you were going that way. Here's something. I thought I recorded. Nope. Where the hell did you go? Oh. It's not over there anymore.
I wish I could see a map so that I can,
Like, I really don't want to look around, but at the same time I do. I don't trust
right
them.
here.
Oh, you
This is
found
where
one?
I died. I looked down right here at this rock, and instant death.
Ah, weird. I swear to God, if I died that too, I'm like, wow, buddies. Nope.
Where?
Quit leading me to his death, you asshole.
Oh, I didn't know that's where
You
was.
walking straight to him.
Oh, really? I
Yeah.
can't see him.
Ah!
Recording over here where I'm at.
What? I hear it. Where? Is it on the head? Yeah, it is. I don't even know what the hell the recordings say.
I don't either.
What the hell are these, like hippopotamus
I'm
heads?
pretty sure there's some sort of lore against behind, like, you know, like, or like stuff like that. But
What the hell are with these statues?
I don't know. It's just, dude, like Viking, like,
I wonder why you would turn off your flashlight. Like, who in the right mind would turn off the fucking flashlight?
state battery. I believe, well, because eventually, once you get to 7 recordings, the light's pretty much useless.
Good point. Back here again, there's a skeleton.
Wait, is there where?
Hey, it's your dead body!
Where?
It's right here.
I
Nope.
can't see it.
Nope. Nope.
Oh, well, that's where I died.
Nope.
Now look at that rock right there. And it's instant death. No chance whatsoever. Just death.
Yeah, because I saw your dead body, I was like, oh, hey, look, a dead body, and then I realized it was you.
Tyler, you're going back the way you came.
Ah, damn it. What a bite me. I don't know where to go.
Around this way.
I don't trust this place. I don't trust... Ow, my eyes!
What?
My phone turned on and hit me right in the eyes. Okay, we've been here. I've been there. Because that's where we found the first recording.
Yeah.
Well, I did, but I did.
I
Dude.
honest to God don't know what to do.
Dude, the stars look really nice out. But I'm looking at the stars, I'm looking at the scenery, it's pretty damn good.
I can't see them.
Shit, I got stuck by a tree. So if you killed me with that, would have been pissed. I'm like, god damn it, by a fucking tree. Okay, well, coming back to that bridge again. I literally cannot see if you would pop up in front of me or not because I was running.
Well, if he pops up, you'll see him because he's white.
Oh, yeah, good point. Yeah, that's why I still have white noise basis. I don't see why you're looking back at me. You can't see him. So you can't tell me if he was behind me.
Just checking out to see if you're following me.
No, I ran away from you.
Hold up, hold up, hold up. Found one.
Yeah, I'll hear it. I hear it. Oh, that is. We're halfway there. Living on a prayer.
Halfway there.
Living on a prayer. I feel like there's one around this wayside somewhere.
I mean, no, I think it'd be too close together, so I don't think that happens.
I hear him though.
Oh, I can't hear him. Can't hear shit.
I hear crackles in there. That's probably because of the leaves.
Just from hearing from you, I'm getting just a little spooked. Not too spooked.
Like, what do you mean?
I can hear the TV from now.
Ah, okay, I was about to sound.
And yeah, so I'm like, I can hear the music, I can hear everything, so it's like...
So you still are getting spooked, you just can't... Ow, my eyes again! I mean, I look down at the most moments. Like, I look down before my phone turns on and lights up. Damn, people, quit texting me for a minute so I don't get blinded by the light. Nope, 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 nope. You literally walked into him.
Really?
Yeah. I was looking at it for a bit just to walk with him.
Don't do that, cause like it's just like thunder. You'll die.
Oh yeah, because I'll piss him off.
Yeah.
You get outside.
Exactly.
He's literally he's literally like, he's back there. I can see his face a bit.
Where's the church? Alright, from the church you go straight from the front of the church. Oh, no way.
Oh wow, the select button doesn't do anything. I thought there was a button to bring a map, but no, it's cheap.
Can't believe it died so fast.
Me either. I actually expected it to live longer. You know, I want to buy like a game, a tablet or something like that, and get my own memory SD card so I could just use it just for recording.
Right?
Nope, going this way. Because I would want to do that, because that means I can record for like as long as I want.
Yeah, but then you have to edit it.
That, I wonder if there's a app for the 360 where I can record off of that.
No, there's not.
Are you sure? Because I think I've came across a few almost before. I hear one.
I hear it too. It's right here.
By the way.
On the front of the...
He's behind me. Where? Getting in a running. Getting in a running.
Why are you right there?
He was literally, as soon as I picked it up, he was like really close to the left side of me, so I had to book it. But the motherfucker's like on. He's starting to almost get on my ass right now from before. He's pissed.
Why would you... Stop teasing him!
Sorry, I was teasing him, Ellie. It's just, I can tell because every time I look back, he's like getting closer and closer each time. He's just on my ass about it. Jeez, what did I do so wrong to him?
Yeah,
Ah!
17 minutes. I died in 4 minutes.
Oh my god, I watched that corner, he got me, that scared the living piss out of me. Oh, dude, I literally fucking, my heart's racing. I screamed loud, I didn't expect that.
You heard me.
Ah, yeah, I know, when you died.
Let's see what happens on replay. But no, I died right there. No, that's the first one. Then I died. And then it was you.
Yeah, you see the part where I fucked
Here's
it.
my ghost.
I don't know if I can take any more of that.
I know, right?
Jesus, yeah, yeah, you said we were gonna be scaring my ass. We both screamed that time, like, loud when we died.
Honestly, it wasn't as bad this time because I wasn't panicking, like, you know, as it was last time.
Yeah, because that was the first time.
In a while. It was the first time in a long time.
Yeah, I know, it's just, like, the first time we played is because we weren't used to it the second time. It was just, we were kind of there. We were just like, oh, okay, we're kind of used to it. I mean, we could do another one, or we could stop.
We're gonna go do something else. I can't do it again.
Too scared?
Yeah, I can probably do one game per day.
Seems legit.
Yeah, that's fair. Alright, I'm jumping on Bucket Suit. Did you stop recording already?
Not yet. Hey guys, I hope you enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And we will see you in the next video. Bye.